How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about some of the best small business insurance companies to work with here in Michigan and give you some ideas around what to look for when you are choosing a company to work with. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, find it useful, helpful, anything like that, please feel free to share and pass it along to anyone else that might find it useful as well. First, it is important to understand that the best insurance company for your business to work with will depend on a variety of factors. It's going to depend on the specific coverages you need, whether you lease or own the building you operate out of, and the type of business you run. For example, a manufacturing company is going to have very different insurance needs than, say, a retail store or even maybe a tech startup. Some common coverages that your business might already have in place or is looking to get coverage for could be things like general liability, commercial property, workers' compensation, commercial auto, umbrella insurance, and then maybe even some additional optional liability coverages such as employment practices liability or even cyber insurance. The mix of coverages that your business needs will impact which insurance company is best for your business. And depending on your industry, certain insurance companies may offer specific tailored coverage options that others don't. For example, certain carriers are better fits for, say, contractors or manufacturing versus businesses that are more retail heavy or maybe offer professional services. This makes it even more important to work with a company that understands your industry specific needs. Now, for the insurance companies themselves, there are some great national insurance companies to work with, like Travelers, the Hartford, CNA, Liberty Mutual, Hanover, or Chubb. And these companies do offer very comprehensive programs for a wide variety of risks and industries, but it is important to not overlook regional carriers like auto owners, Frankenmuth, Cincinnati, Michigan Insurance. These can be fantastic options to work with as well, especially if your business is based in Michigan and operating here. Somewhat expanding on what I mentioned earlier, every insurance company is not a fit for every business. Insurance companies will have certain businesses that they like underwriting over others. So this means they might have better coverage terms and better pricing than other companies. Something else that I do want to touch on is that you might have heard of direct-to-consumer insurance companies, such as with Next Insurance or maybe BiBerk Insurance. These companies essentially let you buy a policy online directly without an agent. It might seem like a more simple, convenient option, but again, you are acting as your own insurance agent in this circumstance. So if you miss a discount, misinterpret a coverage, select the wrong policy, or maybe misclassify your business, you take on all that responsibility and liability when you buy that policy online. On the other hand, working with an independent agent like myself, we can help you navigate that process and make sure, again, certain discounts get added on. It can actually be even less expensive to work with an independent agent versus one of those direct-to-consumer companies because the rates themselves might not be that different. And again, we have the knowledge and expertise to add certain coverages and discounts on to keep that price down. And also, you get the added benefit of working with somebody when a claim happens versus working with a 1-800 number. When you work with an agent, you get help through that claims process so that you can focus on actually running your business, and then we can make sure that everything gets handled properly. And also, if you do have multiple policies in place, such as with general liability, commercial property, auto, workers' comp, an independent agent might be able to find an option where one insurance company can underwrite all of those policies. And this can also add additional savings, additional discounts with multiple policies with that one company. Overall, there are many great options for small businesses here in Michigan, whether you decide to go with a national insurance company or a regional carrier. The key is to make sure that you are working with a financially stable, reputable insurance company and that your business has the coverage it needs. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your business insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to comment them below or reach out directly, whatever is easiest. And I look forward to answering those as well. So thank you again.